Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quilt block. It is super easy to do. It only requires 6 shapes, and it's very geometric. And on top of it, I included this top bean stitch that is completely optional, but I just love how it stands out. So you can make a bunch of these and have them like different directions, stuff like this. I think it'd be super cute, and you could just make a really cute pattern that's just very geometric. So I'm going to show you how to make this easy design that is so quick to do. First, hoop a piece of tearaway stabilizer in your embroidery hoop. This design includes 2 sizes. One file fits a 5 by 7 inch hoop and finishes as a 5-inch quilt block. The second file fits a 6 by 10 inch hoop and finishes as a 6-inch quilt block. So choose the size that fits your hoop and load the design file into your embroidery machine. Start by running the first stitch. This is your placement stitch. It shows you exactly where your first fabric piece will go and all preceding fabric pieces after. Now place your first fabric shape right side up. In this design, it is a square. Run the next stitch on your machine. This will tack the square in place. Once it's finished, remove the hoop from your machine and carefully trim around the square using sharp applique scissors. Be sure not to cut into the stabilizer. Next, we're adding a triangle. I like to cut my fabric as I go, so just grab a scrap piece for this shape. Place the triangle fabric wrong side up and slide it so it extends just past the tack down line where the machine will stitch next. After it runs the stitch, gently fold the fabric over so the right side is facing up. Press it down flat with your fingers. Then run the next stitch to secure the triangle in place. Repeat the same flip and fold method for each remaining shape in the design, one at a time. Be sure to trim around the shapes if necessary, but always leave a 1/4 inch overhang around the outside edges of the block. This makes it easy to join with the other blocks later. Once all the shapes are stitched, remove the hoop from your machine and gently tear away the stabilizer. Take your block to the cutting table and use a ruler and rotary cutter to trim a 1/4 inch seam allowance on all 4 sides. And that's it. You're done. That's how easy it is to make this Tangram block quilt using your embroidery machine. Thanks for watching. This design is free on my Patreon. Check the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative fun.